Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So let's dive right into this episode. This is somewhat of an emergency video, if you will. What I want to do is bring to your attention a specific meme token. This is a project on Solana's blockchain, and I see a lot of value. So first things first, I'm not telling you to get out and buy this token. You should invest at your own risk. This is simply what I am doing. Right now, I am currently up pretty well on this position. I saw it last night, so I was working on other videos. I'm trying to build up my online courses, so I do a lot of that. And I saw an opportunity. So the way I look at this is, and we'll get into the specifics for this project, but you do not have to invest in everything. You shouldn't anyways. The goal is when you see an opportunity, you should take advantage. So by watching all of the content on this channel, so with that being said, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe for more. You will learn how to set up Cardano-based wallets, Solana wallets, etc. And you'll be able to capitalize more in the future. So let's dive right in. I wanted to definitely get this video in. So we're going to do a quick refresh. Right now we are November 25th, 2023. Okay, so Saturday, November 25th, 2023 as a reference. And right now, Solana has been the big winner in terms of a 30-day, 7-day period. So let's take a look at Solana here. Okay, so I'm definitely going to shift some things around as well. Let me log out of my account as well. This is going to help out. So here we've got Solana. Okay, and Solana's up 4%. Effectively, it's been hovering around, 55 to 60 bucks USD. If we see a breakout, that could be great. So Solana is doing well. And the thing with Solana is that a lot of the new money that's not going into Bitcoin, that is going into the market, is going into Solana. So typically, Bitcoin is going to drive the market, right? In fact, really, when you buy crypto, you can really only get Bitcoin and then some ETH, and then you spread that into other alternative coins, altcoins. Okay, so with Solana, right now, there's a lot of liquidity. So there's a meme token right now. It's called Woof. It's a dog meme, but I'm going to get into why I like it and why I bought some last night. And I'm doing quite well. In fact, I already took out my initial position. So, I'm kind of just playing right now with the rest of it. But what I want to mention is that the way you want to look at this is kind of like a bucket or this cup. So you got this cup, right? And this is new liquidity. This is Solana a month ago. This is people getting into crypto. Whether you like it or not, Solana's been doing good. I've been using it for a while. And I've been more of a Cardano Bitcoin maxi, but I've never really liked Ethereum, the high gas fees, etc. With Solana, you've got more throughput. You can do a lot more with it. There's a lot of dApps and DEX aggregators that are coming out, like Jupe. We're going to go over it here in a second. But the point being is, this was Solana a month ago, and it was like $6. All this liquidity fell into Solana. Now, people are holding a ton of Solana, and they get bored, or new projects come up, new sentiment comes up, and that is meme tokens. And right now, there's this Woof. So imagine there's a little drip at a little hole at the bottom, and that's going into alternative tokens with Solana. And one of them is Woof. So we're going to get into it. I know it sounds ridiculous, but I want to get into what I'm thinking, what's going on. So as long as sentiment continues, as long as there's a good narrative, nothing bad happens, as long as we don't have another Terra Luna incident or something like that, or FTX, it's all good. So as long as Solana is doing well, let me show you something. So under categories, we're going to go to memes. And I was going through this last night, and it dawned on me, and I'm like, man, like there's got to be something here, especially with Solana. Okay, so if we take a look, meme tokens, the highest market cap is Dogecoin. I got in years ago, should have put in more. But the entire market cap, 18 bill. So Dogecoin is at 18 bill, okay? Pepe is at 500 million, okay? Just think about that. So 500 million. Now, there's this meme token I was in, I got out. I'm fully out of this position. Again, I'm not telling you to buy this. I just want to bring this to your attention. You make your own informed decision. But I'm making this video on a Saturday because I love my subscribers. I love you guys. I really do. There is a token called Bonk, and it went up dramatically, 50% on the week, even more on the 30-day. It has got a $236 million market cap. Okay. Now there's an even better token with Solana, and it is Woof. So it is under SNEC right now. SNEC is severely undervalued. Severely. All right. But here's this Woof one. Okay. And one thing I like about it as well, if we click on it, I got in at about 5 million in market cap. So I'm up basically almost 60%. I'm not 70, but it's starting to go up. So that's kind of when I got in. And the reason I got in is because in my head, how is this not 25 to 50 million in market cap? Because compared, I always do this. I used to do this with sports cards a lot, where I'm like, why is Austin Matthews, who's the best goal scorer in the NHL, in my opinion right now, maybe Bedard one day, but you want to compare, right? Look at Woof. Is it fair that with 100% circulating supply, so all the tokens are out, and it's at 7 million in market cap, this should be much higher in my opinion. And it was at 4.9 when I got in last night. I just didn't have time to make a video. It was like 3 a.m. and Moose was tired, etc. On the week, it's been pumping, so it's got more room to grow. I know it's going up like this, but again, this is just what I think. I think this thing's going to 50 to 100 mil in market cap. I'm getting a sense of what I got with SNEC. Okay, so I'll even share with you guys exactly where I was at. Yeah, what are we at? 1400 USD. I put in 1,000 USD from my Solana, and I just converted to Woof. I'm up like 40% or so. I've done some other things with this little wallet here. So again, if you're going to get in this is what I'm doing. I do not put a lot. This is a small percentage of my portfolio. This is not a lot of money for me in terms of crypto. Okay. I also have a stop loss, etc. So I'm monitoring this quite a bit. So I want you to comment down below. Where do you think this is going? So right now I'm looking to exit a little bit more at, maybe a 20 mil market cap and then a 50 mil. So I think this is going to be a 5-10x in the short term. And then I can deploy that into Bitcoin, put some money back into Bitcoin. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. But more importantly, I've done a lot of research on this. I like the logo. I like what's going on. I've seen this for a long time. So it checks off all these things. And it's not just a meme token. Hey, put some money in. I think it's going to go 100x. Guys, I put in $1,000. That's a lot for me for a meme token. More than what I usually do for, a quick trade. But again, you want to minimize the downside. But when you compare, it's just so obvious to me. Because I've been using, things like Jupyter. So it's a DEX aggregator on Solana. That's where I'm doing it. So if you want to pick some up, all you're going to do is you're going to use the DEX aggregator. You're going to, you're going to have to pay a little bit in the transaction fees. But again, if we look at what it's doing, it's propagating, checking out other decentralized exchanges, and it's going to make those transactions happen for you. But use Jupe, connect your Phantom if that's something you're interested in. And yeah, I see the opportunities here. I know it's gone up a lot, but even if it slows down, compared to other ones, just think logically. Why is it And this is what happened with Pepe, right? Pepe was a huge project. I never got in. It's an ERC20 based token. But thing is, people are getting more into Solana. It's faster. It is cheaper. It is like, it's cheaper than Cardano. It makes Cardano look like garbage. Solana's been beautiful to use. I'm still more of a fan of ADA at this point in time. But the real comparison here is, let's look at Bonk again. So Bonk, by the way, circulating supply, there's only 54% out. So there's still more tokens to be implemented, and you've got a 226 market cap, okay? And then let's go back to SNEC, for example, okay? 92%, so most of the tokens are out, and SNEC is just gonna run. I've been holding this for a little bit. I rode that pump, got out, got back in down here, so I've been right about these meme tokens. I really have. I really have. So again, I'm not telling you to get this, but look at the math. It's simple math, guys. All right. It's got the momentum. People are degenerates in the space. They want to get it. But yeah, that's kind of my plan. I think conservatively, this is going to be like 25, 50 mil market cap. And if I can 5-10x on a meme token and make $5,000 on a within a week, that's going to be great to me. So that's where I'm at. Comment down below if you agree or not. I could be wrong, but I'm willing to put this video out there and just share with you what's going on. So far I've been right. So even if this goes down to like 4 mil of market cap, I'll just take a loss of 1%. So that means nothing. But right now I'm up like 60% total. So guys, we got to talk about this in another video. There's these NFTs that have been hitting wallets. I have a whole video talking about what I think about that. But guys, check out the link tree. We've got a Crypto Moose, the Loose Moose NFT drop. This is happening December 21st, 5 p.m. UTC. I built this out myself. I set up an IPFS system in order to host the images. And I'm really excited about this. I'm really proud that this is coming out. So this is minting in 25 days. So check it out on jpeg.store. And if you guys want to check out, we got a free ADA course. And pick up a hardware wallet. We're going to be doing more videos. This is the Trezor Model T. I've got a Ledger plugged in. I'm going to be doing a Tangent video coming out soon and more. So with that being said, stay loose. Love you all. And yeah, let me know if you guys pick up or if you already have some Woof.